Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show Recycle Bin in Windows 11 File Explorer. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for File Explorer. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, click on Open to continue, and wait until you are being redirected to the File Explorer itself. By the way, you can also use the key which are by pressing Windows key and E key together. Again, press Windows key and E key together, letter E key together as an eagle. You would be able to open the Explorer, okay? So here at the File Explorer window, you need to proceed at the upper center of the screen where you can see there are three dots. Click on it to see more and go with options, which has this gear icon. And the moment you have click on it, you would be able to open the folder options where it has this three sections. You need to proceed on view. And under the advanced settings, you need to scroll down and look for navigation pane. Now the catch is you need to turn on all of such, which is always show availability status, expand to open folders, show all folders, show libraries, show network, and show this PC. Once you are done, click on apply and then OK. So let's check if we have just successfully show our recycle bin here in our file explorer. So at the left side of that, you can scroll down and there you have that. You can now see your recycle bin in your file explorer. So in my case, it is empty. And if in your case you have the file folder here under recycle bin, you still have the chance to restore it. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on showing your recycle bin in your file explorer. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.